we're waiting
Yeah.
for the card because we gave it back. How much?
20,000. Sari first class. Waiting pool, I think. Private bar. Thermal bathroom. Take photo of this. Water park.
Mini zoo. Oh, there's a locker. There's a locker here.
I think it's fine because we need everything.
Are you not gonna take videos for her story?
I will.
Massage? Massage seems like. No, thank you. No. You stand there and then put your camera. They go all around you.
And where is the hot spring?
I don't know. I think these. Yeah, people are just dipping their feet. Yeah, they. But is this the VIP pool? Where is the VIP pool? The water's. I think everywhere is hot.
Probably.
I think we should change and.
The water was hot enough, but now we are gonna go to the water park to slide. Bubble tea is 15k here. It's normal price, no? Check the water.
It's dirty.
It's the same. It's not dirty, right? Alright. Which way? I think it's not here. Can we go there? Where is the water park? Okay. It's very big, still looking for the water park. And where did we come from? Mini zoo. Rabbits. Hello. We have to buy. How much?
20,000 for one person. It's too small for 20.
Alright, let's go then. Okay, thank you. Oh, this one seems closed. And that one, but there is no water running. So what did we pay for? And just this one maybe? This is sad. Probably only this one. Oh, that's all? This is scam. Seriously. Alright. This was a scam. Nothing is open, only this and this. That's all. Two only small slides. And the big ones are closed.
It's so low. Like just to my knees.
Alright. Anyways, we paid already. Ooh. Video of you? Yeah, I'm taking.
This is not so fun.
Yeah. Scam.
This one is better.
So what? That one is really closed, or what? Because there was water running. Maybe we can still check. Let's go there.
I want to slide here and then go.
Okay. They opened for us, so we can go slide. Yeah. Ooh, thank you. Okay. Are you gonna take GoPro?
Alright, my turn. Sit. Okay. Woo! It's stuck. I'm stuck. Yes. Okay.